So this morning we're going to be talking about how to load various parts of the media into your HD830i. And if you didn't get the last segment, we talked a little bit about how to install the ribbon. So if you did not get that particular session, go back and look at one of our other videos on how to load that ribbon. So today we're going to be talking about loading, which ones, Andy?
This is our PLK 1090T.
Okay.
Okay.
And is that a what's the dimensions on that particular?
This is a 1x9 inch.
1x9. Okay. And what do we have here?
Okay, so this is your mandrel to hold the tags. You have your one end piece on that shaft. You slide the tags on, and we're holding it straight up. You slide this piece on and make it even across.
So I noticed there's some numbers on there. What are those for?
And the numbers are to help you center the tags on the shaft. That's very important.
Ah, okay. I see.
So the number's the same on both sides.
Gotcha. Good.
And then you take your shaft over the top and put it into the holder.
Is there any particular way you need to put that in that holder?
Well, it's got these little bearings on each end, and those got to rest inside the little notches on the holder.
Ah, okay. That'll make sense. So what do we do next?
Now what we do is we're going to bring the tags through the back. Underneath this, I guess that's a sensor plate underneath that, and you have your guides. And you're going to slide your guides over out to the side.
Okay.
And you're going to slide your media sensor, which is in that slot, over to the left.
Okay.
Bring your tags forward and bring your guides up so they just touch. You don't want them to smash,
Okay.
but you don't want it too loose.
Right.
And then you're going to take your sensor and you're going to line it up so it's in the middle of the notch on the edge of the tag. I don't know if that...
Let's see if I can get a close-up shot of that.
Let me back this up.
Okay, so I see it's the little arrow is kind of right in the middle of the length of that notch.
Yep.
Okay.
And you bring your tags forward. So the first one is on top of the black roller.
So I guess that's to help pull it through?
Yes.
Okay.
And roll up some of the slack out of your ribbon
Okay.
with your roll handle there, and then you lock the printer in place.
So I noticed that you use both hands to lock that
Yes,
down.
I push down both sides.
Okay. That's really
So
to...
it's locking evenly.
I got you. Okay. And what's next?
Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to push your power button, and it'll come on and say ready.
Okay.
And in the back of the printer, there's a small button right there.
Okay, and what's that button used for?
That's your calibration button.
So,
You hold it in till the light comes on the front, and now the printer's calibrated to print.
wow, that's pretty cool. And that's all you have to do to load any type of media.
Yes, and we could demonstrate how some of the different size wraparound tags and some pot tags.
Okay. Well, we'll take that in our next segment in our training. That's pretty cool. Thanks for the demonstration. And we'll see you guys in the next video.